You've probably heard the saying that the first $100,000 is the hardest to achieve. But did you know that once you hit that $100,000 mark in your investment portfolio, you're already a third of the way to becoming a millionaire? Yes, you heard that right. Reaching $100,000 is a much bigger deal than you might think. Let's dive into the numbers and see why this milestone is so significant for your financial future. Stick around because this is going to be great news for anyone looking to build wealth. Hello and welcome to Cash Ops. I'm thrilled to have you here as we explore how to improve your financial future. If you're interested in learning more about money management, personal finance, and investing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it can accumulate substantial wealth, even starting from nothing. While many of us have heard about compound interest, few truly grasp its power. So let's break it down with a simple example to illustrate its potential. Imagine you start investing $100 per week, aiming for an average return of 8%. It would take you about 12 years to reach your first $100,000. During these initial years, you're diligently setting aside money while earning modest interest. It's not a life-changing amount yet, just a few dollars here and there. It might feel like a slow grind, but patience pays off. Continuing with your $100 weekly investment, you'll need another 6 years to reach $200,000. That's right, in just 18 years, your portfolio will grow to over $200,000. While it seems like a long time, consider it as climbing a financial mountain, $1 100 bill at a time. If you stay committed, your efforts will start to compound significantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. It took 12 years to accumulate $100,000 and another 6 years to double that amount. But what happens next is where the magic of compounding truly shines. It will take another 18 years of steady contributions to hit the impressive $1 million mark. Let's break down this journey further. In the first 12 years, the majority of the money you save comes directly from your paycheck, over $60,000. The remaining $40,000 or so is the result of your investments working for you. Although $40,000 is a decent return, it still feels like you're doing most of the heavy lifting. The next 6 years show the real power of compounding. By the time you hit $200,000, you'll have earned more than $100,000 in interest, while your personal contributions will have been around $90,000. Your money starts to work harder for you, growing more independently. And here's the kicker. Even though you've only reached $200,000, you're already halfway to the $1 million mark. As you enter the second 18-year stretch, compound interest really takes the lead. It's like your money is working double time, gaining momentum on its own. By this point, you've set aside about $180,000 from your pocket, but your investments have grown to over $1 million. This illustrates the incredible power of compounding. Your money isn't just growing, it's multiplying exponentially. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering speed and size. By the time you reach the $1 million mark, you're pulling in an astounding $80,000 in interest annually. Reflect on how long it took to save $100,000, and now you're nearly earning that amount in just 1 year. This is the true beauty of compound interest. It only gets smoother from here. By the end of 36 years, you've crossed the $1 million milestone, all thanks to the power of regular, disciplined investing and the magic of compounding interest. It's not just about the amount you save, but how you let your investments grow over time. This strategy works because your investments are constantly reinvesting the returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation. Now, if you're enjoying this video and finding value in it, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Cash Ops. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to help you on your financial journey. So why is the first $100,000 the hardest? It's all about the initial effort. Early on, your contributions make up the bulk of your portfolio's growth. It's like pushing a car uphill. The first push requires the most effort. But once you get it moving, momentum starts to work in your favor. This is the essence of compound interest. In those first 12 years, reaching $100,000, over half of your portfolio's growth comes from your direct contributions. But as time goes on, your investments begin to take on a larger role. By the time you reach $200,000, your investments are already generating significant returns, and by the time you hit $1 million, they're doing the heavy lifting. The journey to $1 million is a testament to patience and discipline. Regular contributions and letting your investments grow over time are the keys to financial success. It's important to stay the course even when progress seems slow. The rewards come with time. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. Time is a critical factor in the power of compound interest. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow and compound. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to significant wealth over time. For those just starting, don't be discouraged by the slow initial growth. It's normal. Focus on the long-term benefits. Your patience and persistence will pay off. Consider using automated investment plans to ensure you consistently contribute regardless of market conditions. Diversification is another crucial aspect. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. A well-diversified portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations and keep you on track toward your financial goals. Let's recap the journey. First 12 years. Accumulate $100,000 primarily through your contributions with modest returns from investments. Next 6 years, grow to $200,000 with a more significant portion coming from investment returns. Final 18 years. Reach $1 million with your investments doing most of the work, demonstrating the true power of compound interest. By understanding and leveraging the power of compound interest, you set yourself on a path to financial success. It's a long journey, but one that's worth the effort. Stay disciplined, be patient, and keep your eye on the prize. To conclude, remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency, patience, and the power of compound interest are your best allies. Keep investing regularly, stay committed to your financial goals, and watch your investments grow over time. Thank you for watching this video on Cash Ops. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal finance and investing. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to provide valuable information to help you achieve your financial goals. Happy investing! To further expand on the importance of starting early, let's consider a comparison between two investors. One who starts investing at age 25 and another who starts at age 35. Both invest $100 per week and achieve the same average annual return of 8%. The investor who starts at age 25 will have significantly more money by the time they both reach age 65. The extra 10 years of compounding makes a substantial difference. By age 65, the early starter's portfolio will have grown to around $1.7 million, while the late starter's portfolio will be approximately $733,000. This stark difference underscores the importance of starting as early as possible. The power of compound interest is magnified over longer periods, giving early investors a tremendous advantage. Moreover, regular reviews and adjustments to your investment strategy are essential. Life circumstances change, and your investment strategy should adapt accordingly. Periodically reviewing your portfolio ensures that you remain on track to meet your financial goals. It also allows you to take advantage of new investment opportunities or make necessary changes to mitigate risks. Let's talk about the psychological aspect of investing. The journey to financial success isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset. Investing requires discipline, patience, and the ability to stay calm during market fluctuations. It's natural to feel anxious during market downturns, but remember that volatility is part of the investment journey. Maintaining a long-term perspective and sticking to your investment plan can help you stay focused on your goals. Another important factor is financial education. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance and investing will empower you to make informed decisions. There are numerous resources available, including books, online courses, and financial advisors. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your investments and securing your financial future. Lastly, consider sharing your investment journey with others. Discussing your goals and strategies with like-minded individuals can provide support and motivation. Joining investment groups or online communities can be a great way to exchange ideas and stay inspired. Surrounding yourself with a network of supportive individuals can make a significant difference in staying committed to your financial goals. In summary, the journey to accumulating wealth through investing is a combination of discipline, education, and the power of compound interest. Starting early, staying consistent, diversifying your portfolio, and continuously learning are the keys to financial success. Embrace the process, stay focused on your long-term goals, and enjoy the rewards of your efforts over time. Thank you once again for tuning into Cash Ops. We hope you found this video insightful and motivating. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Until next time, happy investing and take control of your financial future.